Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to castle on chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application and start playing. You can see over here I have opened the chess.com application. So if you want to castle on chess.com, it is actually very simple, but there are some rules that you need to consider. First of all, you need to ensure neither the king nor the rook you intend to castle with can have moved previously in the game. Also, there must not be any pieces between them. All the squares between the king and the chosen rook must be empty. Also, your king cannot be under attack in check when you are trying to castle. Your king cannot move through any square that is currently under attack by an opponent's piece. After these rules are followed, you'll be able to castle on chess.com. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply tap on your king first. Now after you do that, simply tap on the square two spaces towards your desired rook. Now once you do that, you can see over here the king will move two squares and the rook will automatically move to the other side of the king. So like this, you'll be able to castle. So that is how you castle on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.